Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to enable 2FA on PS5. So let's start following this step. Surely you will do it. So first you have to sign in into your Epic's game account. Then you have to go to password and security section in your account page, like this one. So under the two-factor authentication section, you will see the available 2FA options. So here you have it, you can check it. And then two-factor authenticator app, use the authenticator app as your two-factor authentication when you sign in. You will require to use a secret code provided by your authenticator app. If you option to use authenticator app for 2FA, this third-party common authenticator app can be found in your mobile device app store. So you have to go Authenticator, Let's Spy Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or Authy. So now you have email for two-factor authentication. Use the security code sent on your email address as your two-factor authentication. The security code will resend the address associated with your Epic Games account. So MM's code for two-factor authentication. So use your phone as two-factor authentication when you're signing. You will require to use the security code we send you via SMS. Click Set Up to enable your preferred 2FA method. After you select your authentication method, you should have received a code from Epic Games. For email SMs or app should generate a code for you. Input the code and should see a success message on the website. Example below if your email note. Now your account page will automatically update to your confirmed authentication method. It's activated, as you can see here. Please note that if you choose more than one authentication method, you will want to click on three dots on your preferred method or contact and choose the Make My Primary 2FA method, as you can see here. So guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.